Okay, that's where we're at right now. Just roughed out. Burnt the hell out of my finger. See how the fingernails all burn off? Putting the rod really close to the torch and aim toward the finger so it burnt the snot out of it. You see how short these rods are. I'm holding my finger, you know. That's how close I'm getting to the heat. It's hot. So that finger's burnt bad. Oh, there's a rod there. So, I was a little bit low on this side, so I had to put some more over there. So let's see what we got right now. You start out really bad well because the cast aluminum is all contaminated, but when you get higher up in the rod, less contamination, the weld's better. Okay, so it looks like that's the original weld head right there. So just under an inch right now over there. About an inch there. Now this burnt way down deep, so it's hard to tell, but you see the original head right over here. A little bit over an inch right there, but not by much. Okay, it's got about another 100 thou on this side and another 1/8 all the way around. Then we're going to start filling this all in and start coming on this side and smoothing up, build it up. The inside you go in here and clean that mess up in there. It's a big mess in there. So, go a little too far this side over here. See how sloppy it all looks right now, but after you burn it back in, it looks better. Alright, so I got a little more welding to do on the top there. I'm going to try that out. Fumes are not too bad in here right now. You can smell it, but it's relatively clear, so not choking on it too awful bad. Alright, let's see if we get some idea where we're welding here. Okay, I'm going to go a little, try to get a little more weld in there. Pick them up about 9 or 10 rods now. already burnt. It's time for a new glove. Nah. Why would I do that? Okay, I need my measuring stick over here. Alright, so the old head was right there. About 1.2 inches now. Over here, over 1.1, so we got plenty of them on there. So now I got to go in here and clean all this stuff up, kind of judge what the port is, and smooth it up a little bit. I don't care if it's a 1/2 inch thick or 3/4 inch thick, as long as I'm machining it, I don't have to come back and weld it again. You can see how it goes on in layers. It's like 3D printing, you do a layer at a time. So stack them layers up. Okay, so now I got to flip the head around and do it from the side. I guess I'll do the inside first to kind of get an idea where I'm at. Alright, we'll be back. Alright, we're back. So it's almost 1 o'clock now. A little welding. So a lot of issues, but got it there. Pain in the ass welding this stuff. So I developed a crack through here, so I hit it over this outside edge here. I don't want to weld any of the seats and all this other crap. So it's a hairline crack started, a little bit on this side, but all the way around. So I got some really hard rod I use in there. Special alloy. So there it is, 55, 56. It's got 30,000 tensile, which is more than the 4043, which I think is 28. Or one's 30, one's 32, I forget what it is. But anyway, it's a little bit stronger, a little bit less shrinkage, and welds slightly better. So that's what it's got, a little more mag in it, basically. So anyway, that basically puts like a strong cap over the crack and fill it in a little bit from this side. You can't go too deep because you're going to hit the steel and it's just going to pull right off and be done. Then you'll be screwed. So I just did this last fin right here. There's always another fin that needs to be welded. So get a little bit better doing fins. These ones here I kind of screwed up a little bit. This one here I'm getting better at. Okay, let's see what this looks like now. It's not too hot. So I got the material in there. Got a little carried away. Got a lot carried away. I haven't done these in a while. When I get to be an inch thick, that's a little bit too much weld on there. I kept losing my location where the port was, so better to be too much than not enough. Ah, damn it, burned myself again. So this is a pain in the butt to get that welded in through there. That had that big hole in there. So I wound up having to grind the fin away to get in there. I just couldn't get in without it. It starts melting the top of the head away up here. So, oh well. This aluminum has a real heavy crust to it, so it doesn't want to weld. Just gonna leave it'll have a good weld, and it'll have like a crater, and then or a line, and it'll have a good weld after that, or good material after that. There's a crust. Damn it! If I can find all the holes. It's a good crust line in there. You can see how it does it right through here. It's really a lot of contamination going on there. Ah, burning my hand with these gloves. So anyway, get everything in here. So get all that all welded up. All the fins are welded up. Definitely got enough material there. It's hot. I got it blended down to the port as far as I can get in there. Once again, you got that crappy material in there, so it's hard to weld to it. So we'll see how much porosity I got when I'm done. Usually I have very little porosity, if any. Like 1 or 2 specks maybe. And all these fins have to be ground out, cut, and done up. Anyway, that's head. So what is it, a 55 casting? So that's 55, early 56 year only. Anyway, one of my junk heads. So now I gotta wait about 5 years or so before I machine it. But, oh well. So I got all practiced up. So cool like that. so be good to go. So how many welds? So I melted the end of my finger off. I burnt myself right there, but not too bad. This one over here is stinging pretty good over here though. Right across there's a big burn mark. That crater right there on my finger is a burn mark. That was some of that rod right here. See that little dimple right there? That matches the finger. Yeah, I found the hole in the glove right where it was or something. Yeah, right there. Went right through. Oh well. Yeah, I should retire these gloves, but yeah, where are you going to find any good gloves like they don't make them anymore? Oh, there's some. Yeah, I got a couple there. Gotta have your extra parts. Alright, so tomorrow I'm going to attempt to weld the knucklehead cases, so I got enough practice on that. So we started around 8 or 9, so that's 5 hours of welding, whatever. A little practice. That shouldn't be as hard as what this was, so we'll see. Yeah, actually it's going to be a lot of work. I got a lot of stuff I got to weld on that. There'll be a lot of contaminated material through here, so we'll see. I'm good at burning crap out. Alright, well that's it. Another head done. Mess in the shop. It went up a degree in temperature and it got later. Yeah, imagine that. And everybody went home, so it's quiet outside now. Alright, that's it for welding 101.